Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to zip or unzip file or folders on Windows 10 PC. Windows 10 supports zip files, that is known as compressed folder on Windows 10. You can zip or unzip any file on Windows 10 PC without any third-party software. To zip a file or folder, just select it and then right click on it. In the pop-up menu, select send to and then choose this one option, compressed zipped folder. This will zip all the files and folders. You can view its content by double clicking on it. It will show the content of this zipped file. In case you want to extract any of this, just select it and drag it to the free space and it will be copied there. In case you just want to unzip all this one files, select it, right click on it and you will find extract all option. Just click on this one. Now you can click on this one browse button and choose a different location in case you need it, and then click on this one. After selecting any folder, select folder and then click on this one extract button. This will extract files or folders within that zip file in a folder, and now you can open and see the content of that zipped file in Windows 10 PC. However, in case you have got a zip file that is password protected from any source, when you will unzip, you will find the message. Windows will say that zipped file is corrupted or damaged. That means till now, Windows 10 does not support password protected zip file. That's all about this video.